What if one video could change everything for your YouTube channel? Forget the algorithm, forget guessing what works. You are about to get a proven, step-by-step formula that you can copy and paste for any niche, without ever showing your face. This isn't about luck, it's about strategy. In the next few minutes, I'll break down the 7-step framework for creating faceless videos that people can't help but watch and share. First, your title. It needs to create immediate curiosity. The most powerful formula is the I wish I knew title. For example, 7 things I wish I knew before starting a gaming channel. It's a promise of real, hard-won experience. Next, your thumbnail. Its only job is to create a curiosity gap. Keep it simple and bold. Use 3 to 5 words that don't explain the video but make people want to click to find out more. You have 15 seconds. Your hook must prove your value instantly. Start with a bold claim. This method grew a channel from 0 to 100,000 subscribers in 6 months. It's fast, it builds trust, and it hooks them. This is the core of your video rapid-fire value. Deliver your lessons in quick 30-second bursts. As you talk, put a short text summary on screen. This keeps the pace high and helps viewers remember the information. To keep your video dynamic, use B-roll and sound design. While you narrate, show relevant stock footage, animations, or screen recording. Add background music and subtle sound effects to keep the energy up. Great videos aren't improvised. Before you start, brainstorm every aha moment you've had in your niche. What's the one piece of advice that would have saved you a year of failure? Use that as your strongest point. Finally, never end your video without a clear call to action. Tell the viewer exactly what to do next. Guide them to watch another video, or download a free resource from the description. This turns a viewer into a fan. And that's the framework. 7 steps to a viral faceless video. Stop guessing and start creating with a proven strategy. Now go make something amazing.